Hello guys, been long time no upload the video, and this is the BMW X3 E83. Recently my car is just have a misfire, but I'm not sure that which one cylinder is misfire, and I bought one of this and just show how it works, but I'm not sure is that really correct, but I will try to just put on this to every single cylinder and see how it works. For first one, it's not really blinking. And you can see the cylinder 2, cylinder 3. Just rapidly I check on every one cylinder. I just find out the ignition one not really blinking, because I do check back on the OBD2 on the reader to the computer and saying that there's nothing wrong with it, but I do feel that it have a misfire. So I'm not sure this is really can work or not. If you know that, you can put on any comment to the link below, but for now on I will change a new initial coin and change this. So just show you guys, there's this kind of thing to check on the misfire. Just thank you.